Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. If I've said it once, I've said it every single time I've made one of these videos. This is not financial advice. Don't do something because the internet told you to. Do your thing because you did your research and were a responsible person and didn't sue the internet for your decisions. That said, let's check out Nolus, a semi-permissioned blockchain bridging lenders and borrowers in a DeFi money market. With its DeFi lease, borrowers can secure up to 150% financing on their initial investments and access to the underlying leveraged assets through whitelisted strategies. Triple your holdings without tripling your risk. Unlock the full potential of your assets. NTRN is now live for leasing up to 3x on your NTRN holdings. Fixed interest rate, favorable liquidation terms. Wait, there's more. Fire emoji. They're turning up the heat with some exclusive offers. This is inspired by traditional leasing where one pays a fraction up front and gains ownership after repayment. Nolus' approach cuts down the DeFi sector's high over-collateralization standards. This boosts capital efficiency and offers borrowers better loan terms. Nolus emphasizes interoperability, connecting to various liquidity sources across chains without fragmenting assets. The system can swiftly swap assets on any integrated DEX, streamlining lending by negating the need for multiple pools and ensuring liquidity providers handle only stable assets. Ultimately, Nolus aims to simplify and enhance cross-chain DeFi experiences for everyone. Let's hop on over to their website and check it out. It's very, very slick. Let's get to the top here. Oh yes, the cross-chain lease protocol. Elevate your game with up to 3x equity, dive into a world of minimized risks, and unlock the full potential of your assets. They've got an app to go with it. Now the problem this deals with is the over-collateralization requirements and high risk of liquidations and lack of asset ownership. Defy the odds. I like the wordplay there. Borrowing and lending in crypto markets isn't what it should be. That's why they need a shake-up. The industry suffers from the steep over-collateralization I was telling you about a second ago, making lending options unfavorable. The practice of using high locked-up collateral is holding back the market's potential because it ties up otherwise useful capital to help better manage your risk. Now, asset ownership. Leveraging allows you to boost your equity stake without the need for over-collateralized loans. However, leveraged products don't grant ownership of the underlying asset. They only reflect its price movement while costing north of 40% per annum. And risk of liquidation when pursuing amplified gains through either over-collateralized loans or future contracts. It's important to recognize that both approaches come with heightened liquidation risks that could lead to a complete loss of your equity rather fast. Now, meet Nolus. Oh, they got a quick dive. Let's check this out.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. Want to get to know us? The world's first DeFi lease, powered by 15 years of fintech success. A novel invest now, pay whenever you decide solution that allows you to lease up to 3 times more than your current equity and to never miss the upside potential. Are you fed up with over-collateralized loans, elevated liquidation exposure, leveraged trades with lack of asset ownership, pricey transaction fees, and slow network confirmations? We got you covered. With the Nolus DeFi lease, you can secure the current price of the desired asset and let the appreciation pay for the cost of your investment. The DeFi lease provides up to 3 times more digital assets than any other crypto financing solution. Just choose a coin and supercharge it. Nolus DeFi lease has significantly lower liquidation rates compared to the market average, which is the biggest risk when trying to speculate on the gains. And there is more. No early repayment fees, no monthly charges, no penalties, and no extra fees would apply, ever. Once the lease is repaid, the asset is released to you. The technological backbone of Nolus utilizes a lightning-fast Layer 1 blockchain based on the Cosmos SDK, which will handle the throughput needs of Web3 at scale. The protocol itself provides a quick, clear, and understandable experience in an ideal balance between security, accessibility, and reliability. A solution created for those who want to build their future wealth today. Wait no more. Get more. Get to Nolus.
Get to Nolus, I like that. I'm at a loss for words. That's a fantastically produced commercial they got there. So all of that is really what it's talked about. It's backed by all these people. It has been audited 3 times, twice by Oak Security and once by Halburn. Oh, they have got their stuff together. Guys, links are in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.